the admin section of the Engineering Standards Library of the VDE Publishing Company. This video will show you the general structure and the functions of the admin section of VDE Publishing's Engineering Standards Library. The admin section exclusively serves the user management. Single licenses, therefore, do not need or receive admin access. If you already have an admin account, click on Admin in the upper right corner, and the registration form will open. You simply log in with your email address and your password. If you don't remember your password, you can click on Forgot Your Password. If you do not have access to the admin section yet, click on Request Access. After registration in the admin section, you will now see your customer number in the title bar and the Logout button on the far right-hand side. On the left, you will find the menu with its subdivisions: User Management, Admin Management, and Subscription Management. Right after logging in, you will find yourself in the User Management. This is divided into a search field, a list of current users below, and at the very bottom, a list of invited users. For adding a new user to this subscription, click on Invite User on the very bottom. You will then automatically find yourself in the subscription administration. Now enter the user's email address in the field Email. Then click Send Invitation. The user will now automatically receive an email. Using this, he can sign into the standards library. If a user has already been registered, you receive the message User already subscribed. The admin only obtains access to the standards library after he has added himself as a user in this area. Once an invited user has accepted the invitation, he immediately appears in the upper list of active users. You can specify which users of the subscription are authorized to purchase documents in the standards library. To do this, select the relevant user or users and then click on Change Ordering Rights. The ordering right can be adapted at any time. To prevent a user's access to the subscription, highlight the user and click Release License. The user is now excluded from the list and can no longer access the standards library subscription. Users with administration rights will not be deleted from the list, but will also lose access to the standards library subscription. You can use the export function to export a complete overview of all users of the subscription, including additional information and permissions in CSV format. The administrators in the list can be identified by the check in the admin column. To add a secondary administrator, go to the Admin Management. There, you click Add Admin, and you can now provide users with secondary admin rights. This means that secondary admins have to have already been registered as users beforehand. Primary admins can only be administered by the customer service, and for this reason, they cannot be changed by themselves. To delete the admin rights of a user, highlight the user in the existing administrators list. Then click Remove Admin. To edit the user information, just click on the respective name in the User Management. You will now see a form in which you can store information concerning the user, such as departments, a cost center, a commentary, as well as the license expiration date. By clicking on License Limited Until, a calendar will open in which you can select the date the user's license is supposed to expire. Below the form under Additional Information, you will find an overview of the currently granted access rights. To add a number of users to a subscription, you can go to the Subscription Management to upload a list of email addresses as CSV or TXT file. For this purpose, click the button Upload User List. Here, you can see an example of a correct CSV file and here one of a TXT file. There will be a brief check, and you once more get the chance to correct invalid entries. Subsequently, each user will receive an automatic email with a registration link. Using this, he can sign into the standards library. Furthermore, you have the option to delete registered users who do not appear in your CSV or TXT file. Just select Remove Missing Users from Subscription. The users to be deleted will appear below. With Transfer User, you can add users from the subscription management to your subscription. Select the users by marking the checkbox in front of the user's name and then click Add User. In the subscription management, under Registered Users of this subscription, you can find the other activated users of this subscription. At the top, you will see all information on your particular license model. At the very bottom, you can see the selections and groups, the activation of additional standards, drafts, and specialist books, which are included in your subscription. More information is available by clicking the Help button. To log out from the admin management, click the Log Out icon at the upper right of your screen.